So the mid-range segment in India is getting heated up with so many phones launched recently and many more to come. We already have phones under 30,000 rupees with Snapdragon 870, Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 778G. Speaking of the Snapdragon 778G, we already have two phones under 30,000 rupees with this SoC, the Realme GT Master Edition and the Motorola Edge 20. As we know, the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and Samsung Galaxy M52 5G are also launching this month, and both of them have the same Snapdragon 778G chipset. With all these smartphone companies launching phones with this SoC in this price segment, iQOO has decided to join the party, and so the company is launching the iQOO Z5 in the Indian market soon. Now, as the name says, this phone is a successor to iQOO Z3, which launched a few months ago with Snapdragon 768G. A latest teaser from iQOO gives us a glimpse at the design of this phone, and as you can see, the iQOO Z5 has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner just like the iQOO Z3, and also a triple camera setup with the camera module having a different design this time. We did not get to see the front in this teaser, but as revealed by iQOO on its Vivo profile, there is a hole punch cutout in the middle and not a notch. So that is a good thing because the iQOO Z3 had a notch and it made this phone look very old school. As far as the specifications are concerned, we do know a few specs already. So the phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G and a 5000 mAh battery. The charging speed it supports is 44 watt and there is also a 120Hz LCD on the front. So once again, iQOO has decided to go for an LCD instead of an AMOLED. There is a 64 megapixel camera on the back and the phone also has stereo speakers. Now, one interesting thing about this phone is that not only it has the Snapdragon 778G, but also LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, a combo that we only see in high-end flagship phones. So yeah, it seems like iQOO did some cost cutting in the display department by not offering an AMOLED, but also the company went for LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, so that's quite nice. Now the launch date for Indian market is not yet known, but in China the phone is launching on the 23rd of September, which means the launch is happening in just a few days. Since iQOO likes to launch phones at a very aggressive price, I won't be surprised to see iQOO Z5 starting under 25,000 in India. What do you think? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.